Alright, what's up, guys? We are going to wash the trailer today. It's pretty dirty. Check her out. I parked her under a tree and now she's filthy. So we need to get the rig cleaned. We got a camping trip coming up. I'll tell you about that next week. But we are going to get the power washer out, get the brushes out, and give her a clean. You're going to come along for the ride. I'm going to show you how I do it. Alright, let's get started here. Well, there's the power washer. Here's the power washer. Let's roll it out. Now we need to get the hose. I was using the hose to fill up the pool. We just did, I just replumbed the entire pool. And now the only thing I have left to do for that is to hook up the slide. Here's that. Pool pump's running. Pool's filling up. Let's just grab this hose, walk her out. I already got the ladders out. I had to check a spot on the roof. Looks like I might have a small hole in some of the lap seal. I gotta take a look at that after it's clean, see if that's actually what it is. Go, hose. I'm gonna open up this garage. Grab my wash bucket. Ooh, not like that, I'm not. We are going to be washing it, and it is filthy. We parked it underneath one of these trees, and the roof is absolutely terrible. The entire camper's a mess, and we have a trip coming up this weekend, so we're going to give it a nice scrub down. Alright guys, we just finished cleaning the roof. Now we gotta clean the exterior. We're gonna start with the front. Let's get that going now. So first we're gonna wet it down. She is nasty. I will never park the rig under that tree again. That's for sure. Well, guess what? My pressure washer just died on me. So we're gonna have to open up the soft wash system just so I can get this finished. I'm not using my high pressure washer. That thing I was using there is just a little Ryobi electric power washer. I'm gonna have to undo the trailer and hook up my soft wash system here. Let's see. All right, let me unhook that and I'll be right back. You know who likes Eeyore?
Yeah.
Who? Who? Do you know who likes Eeyore?
I don't know. You?
Nope, you're crazy granny.
Of course, Lana.
right, now we're done the front. We're gonna move over to the side.
Dad, watch
We're gonna do the same thing we did before. We're gonna wet it down. And we'll do one section at a time. And Ella says she wants to scrub this time, right? Very good job. Yep, as high as you can reach. Good job. All right, not that high. You don't need to be on your tippy toes. Thanks for trying, though. Up off the ground, thank you. All right, scrubby, scrubby. You want me to get you one you can do with your hands so you can do the whole bottom?
Yeah.
All right, give me this one. Mom, in the bucket in there is one for your hand. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two sides, just the same as we just did those two sides. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, and then we'll come back and we'll let you know where we're going on our next trip. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're all finished washing the camper. She looks much better now. Not sure if you can tell from the pictures, but here, I'll take a look. She looks much, much better now. Well, that was a lot of work cleaning this one because of them trees that I didn't realize were gonna do what they did. But so I just want to let you guys know that our next camping trip is going to be Hershey Park. We're going to Hershey Road RV Park. It's not actually Hershey Park's campground, but it's one really close to Hershey Park. And we are going to be going to Hershey Park and the water park and having fun. We're going with some friends and family. So if you want to check that video out, subscribe, hit the like button. It helps us out, and we'll bring more videos to you. We'll see you on the next one, and we're out.